Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working through 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, a book by Len Turner. I'm on to program number 24, which is 3 tries password, and this is a direct follow-up to program number 23, one-time password. So if you haven't, or one-use password, if you haven't seen the video number 23 on a single-use password, go watch that on my YouTube channel. You can find it easily on my YouTube channel under my name, Zachary Fruhling, or under CozyAzeroth. But this program lets you type in a password with up to 3 attempts. So let's read the program description. We're going to get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, type in the program, run it, and see what we can make it do. It's a very short program, so this will not take very long. Okay, program 24, 3 tries password. Here, the software lets you try 3 times to enter the correct password. You don't get to go forward with the program if you don't get it right in 3 tries. Again, the password is elephant and is stored in line 30. You can change the password to whatever suits you. Lines 40 to 60 allow the 3 attempts. If no good after 3 tries, that's a weird sentence. If no good after 3 tries, then end. Okay. Here is the very short program. Let's go ahead and type it in. Let's get into TI Basic and Classic 99. Highly recommend the Classic 99 emulator. 10, call clear. 20, input, what is the password? What is the password? And again, we're calling this a string, arbitrarily. 30. If a string equals elephant, then 100. Okay, 40. B equals B plus 1. 50. Print a string isn't it. 60. If b equals 3, then 80. If b equals 3, then 80. 70, go to 20. 80, end. So if the number of attempts equals 3, then we're going to end the program. 100 print, you got it right. $110 print, now the program would run. Okay. Let's clear the screen. We're going to list out the program, see if there's any obvious errors. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and give it a run. So what is the password? Let's try tiger, lion, bear. Oh my, bear isn't it. Done. Okay, let's get it correct now. Run. What is the password? Elephant. You got it right. Now the program would run. So again, this is not a complete useful program. This is just designed to be a fragment of a larger program. Okay, let's run it once more. Selfishly, so I can get a screenshot here. What is the password? Lion, tiger, bear. Oh my, bear isn't it. Okay, that is 3 tries password from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. If you are watching this on Twitch, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under CozyAzeroth. You can find there lots of Texas Instruments TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, Lots and lots of World of Warcraft live streaming and miscellaneous educational content of topics to my my professional and personal interest. On Twitch, you can find me under CozyAzeroth for much the same kind of topical content, live streaming. And in any case, I appreciate any likes and subscriptions these difficult times. Every little bit helps, so thank you in advance for the subscriptions. All right, let's give this one more run, just for grins, as they say. Let's end on a high note. Let's get it correct. Elephant. And yes, you got it right. Now the program would run. Alrighty, that is 3 tries password, program number 24 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I'm going to peek ahead to the next program. The next program is number 25, multiple passwords. So I'm not going to look at that just yet. We're going to save that for the next video. And again, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.